The CBI has summoned Trinamool Congress MP Jago Bangla to join the probe in the Saradha Chit fund scam. He has been asked to appear before the officials in the first week of August. Jago Bangla in fact tweeted that he was served a notice at 2 p.m. on the 25th of July, and Trinamool motion in Rajya Sabha to oppose the amendments to the RTI Act started at the same time. NDTV's Arvind has more.
The Central Bureau of Investigation has issued summons to senior Trinamool Congress leader and also Rajya Sabha MP Jago Bangla to join the Saradha Chit fund scam probe investigation. In fact, the agency has asked Jago Bangla to appear before the agency officials in the Kolkata office in the first week of August. A senior official of the Central Bureau of Investigation has told NDTV that during the probe in the said case, the agency found certain transactions recorded in the bank accounts of the party's mouthpiece, that is Jago Bangla, and they have summoned Jago Bangla to join the investigation to get clarification on the same. So Jago Bangla has been asked to appear before the agency officials in the Kolkata office in the first week of August. In fact, Jago Bangla was earlier summoned to appear before the agency officials in February also, but he cited the ongoing parliament season and he sought more time to appear before the agency officials. So now the agency has issued fresh summons to Jago Bangla, and Jago Bangla has been asked to appear in a convenient date in the first week of August.